Let's talk about windows, and more specifically, should you upgrade them to get a little more juice out of the resale value of your home? The short answer is no. Don't upgrade your windows. If you're just looking for an answer, there you go. Have a great day. Bye. Now, there are some reasons behind this, or some questions you can ask yourself to decide whether or not you should change your windows. But at the end of the day, it's still not going to improve the resale value of your home, as in giving you a return on your investment. A buyer wants to see a house that has windows. They want to make sure that they're there and you can see through them. So those three questions that you can ask yourself are: do my windows keep water and rain and the elements out of my house? Are my windows surrounded by something other than wood? Can I see all the way through my windows? If you answered yes to all of those questions, then don't change your windows. They're good. They'll last a long time, and that's all the buyer really cares about when it comes to making a buying decision. If you answered no to any of those questions, you have windows leaking, they're all cloudy, or they're made from wood, then it might be important to consider changing out the windows. But at the same time, you don't need to go crazy and buy triple pane, a million glazed, super weird gas in the middle of them, unless you're trying to make your house net zero. If you're really trying to go for that environmental rating, then yeah. And if you just want to upgrade your windows because you want a more energy efficient house, then you should, but don't expect it to come back when you sell your house. You just won't get the value of it. When you're thinking about what upgrades to do to your house, think about where you can get the best ROI. We're gonna do more videos on this. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about where you get the most bang for your buck, but windows are definitely not it. They need to be there, they need to work, but they don't have to be top of the line, and you won't get your money back for top of the line. So I hope that helped, and make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you want to hear about any different kind of renovations, or you have any questions just in general about real estate. I would love to answer them, and have a great day.